Picture Lily standing before a mirror, practicing hello. My name is Lily with a trembling voice, then sighing in defeat. Have you ever feared speaking English? Worried you'd be laughed at? Meet Lily, a girl from Vietnam, newly arrived in America. To her, English feels like an insurmountable wall. Her accent feels foreign, the culture unfamiliar, and the fear of judgment looms large. Yet, through unexpected friends, everyday moments, and cringe-worthy mistakes, Lily transforms English into her superpower. Join her journey and take on the Emery Speak English Challenge at the end. The supermarket buzzes with life, carts clattering, and upbeat music setting a lively tone. Lily, a newcomer from Vietnam, has been at her American school for just a week. Speaking English terrifies her. She's afraid of messing up, her accent mocked as weird. One afternoon, Emma, a spirited friend with curly hair, bounds over with a grin. Come to the supermarket with me. We'll shop and learn English. Lily hesitates, her heart pounding. She mutters to herself, what if I say something wrong? But Emma's warm smile is impossible to resist, and Lily nods, stepping into the unknown. Inside the crowded store, colorful aisles burst with products. Emma grabs a box of Fruity Loops and declares, this is cereal breakfast food. Lily, puzzled, ventures. Cereal? Like a serial on Netflix, their laughter echoes, drawing curious glances from shoppers. Lily's cheeks flush, but a weight lifts. Mistakes can be fun, Emma, eyes sparkling, challenges her. Ask the worker how much the milk costs. Lily's palms sweat. Speak to a stranger in English. She quakes but takes a deep breath and approaches a worker. Excuse me, how much is this milk? She stammers. The worker replies, $3. Lily spins back to Emma, practically bouncing. They understood me, she squeals, high-fiving her friend, her fear cracking like thin ice. But the journey isn't all smooth. Emboldened, Lily tries asking for the baking aisle. Her words stumble, and the worker frowns, confused. Panic surges. Lily wants to bolt. Emma gently grabs her hand. Try again. I believe in you, she urges. Lily steadies herself, speaking slowly. Baking, supplies. The worker's face lights up, pointing the way. Lily clutches a box of sugar, her eyes shining. In that moment, English isn't just words, it's a bridge to a new world, connecting her to people and places she's only beginning to understand. Yet, not everyone is kind. As Lily and Emma move through the aisles, a shopper mutters, that girl's accent is so hard to understand. The words sting, and Lily's shoulders slump. Does she even belong here? Emma notices her friend's hurt and pauses by the cereal shelves. You know, I got teased for my southern accent when I moved here, she confides, but now I'm proud it's part of who I am. Her words sink in, and Lily reflects quietly. My accent, it's my story. The thought sparks a flicker of courage, a seed of self-acceptance planted in her heart. The supermarket trip becomes more than a shopping spree. It's Lily's first step out of her comfort zone. Each word she speaks, each mistake she laughs off, chips away at her fear. As they head to the checkout, Emma nudges her. You're killing it. Lily, ready for more adventures. Lily, gripping her box of Fruity Loops, nods eagerly. English still feels daunting, but with Emma by her side, it's starting to feel like a challenge she can conquer, one conversation at a time. This moment marks a turning point. Lily realizes that speaking English isn't about perfection, it's about connection. The clatter of carts, the hum of shoppers, and Emma's encouragement blend into a realization her voice, however imperfect, has power. As they leave the store, the sun dips low, casting a golden glow over the parking lot. Lily feels lighter, as if she's shed a layer of doubt. She's not fluent yet, but she's begun to see her accent as a badge of her journey, not a flaw to hide. With Emma's friendship and her own growing courage, Lily is ready to face the next step in her English adventure, wherever it may lead. The school hallway hums with chaos. Students rushing past as Lily walks with her head bowed, trying to blend into the crowd. In Ms. Carter's English class, the air feels electric, words fly fast, a whirlwind of American slang and confidence that Lily can't catch. She sits at her desk, heart racing, praying to stay invisible. Ms. Carter, warm but firm, scans the room and calls out, "Lily, what do people buy at a market?" Every eye swivels to her. Lily freezes, her throat tight. "Food," she whispers, barely audible. A boy in the back snickers loudly. "That's it. Come on. Say more." Lily's face burns. Her hands grip her pen so tightly it might snap. She wants to vanish into the floor. Emma, sitting beside her, jumps in. "Markets have food, clothes, even flowers," she says brightly. "Ms." Carter nods. "Great." "Emma." Lily non. "Can you try again?" Lily takes a shaky breath, her voice trembling. "Food, clothes, flowers." She manages. The class claps, a ripple of encouragement. But the boys smirk, muttering, "What a weird accent." The words cut deep. Lily slumps, her mind spiraling. "I'm not good enough. I'll never fit in." The applause fades, drowned by her self-doubt. After class, Emma pulls Lily to the school courtyard, where the sun filters through sprawling oak trees. They sit on a stone bench, the world quieter here. "Don't let that jerk get to you," Emma said, her voice fierce. "I bet he couldn't say a single word in Vietnamese like you're speaking English." She softens, sharing her own story. "When I moved here, kids teased me for sounding different. It hurt, but I learned to love who I am." Lily looks up, her eyes searching. "Back in Vietnam, I was so confident," she admits. "Here, I feel lost." Emma nods, her gaze steady. "You're learning a whole new language and culture. That's not just brave, it's superhero-level courage." That evening, Emma invites Lily over for a movie night, promising it'll be both fun and educational. In her cozy living room, they curl up with popcorn and a slapstick comedy. When a character trips and spills coffee everywhere, the girls dissolve into giggles. Emma pauses the screen. Here, that spilled means to drop something, like the coffee. Tripped means to stumble. Lily grinned, testing the words. "I spilled water in class," once she says, and their laughter fills the room, warm and unstoppable. The movie transforms English from a daunting textbook chore into something alive, a vibrant adventure woven into every joke and scene. Lily's shyness melts a little more with each shared chuckle. Through the classroom's harsh spotlight and the movie's lighthearted lessons, Lily begins to see her place in this new world. The boys' cruel words still sting, but Emma's support and the joy of learning through laughter plant a seed of resilience. As they rewind the movie to catch another line, Lily feels a spark of hope. English is tough, but it's also a door to connection, one she's starting to push open. Word by word, with a friend who believes in her, the kitchen glows with warmth, the rich aroma of simmering pho filling the air. Lily bursts through the door, eager to share her day with her older sister, Mia, who's stirring a pot at the stove. "Let's practice English while we cook," Mia suggests, her eyes twinkling. She points to the steaming pot. "This is broth, the soup base." Lily tilts her head. Brother Mia laughs, shaking her head. "No, broth." Like soup, Lily joins in, giggling, then tries her hand at cooking. Mia teaches her new word simmer for cooking on low heat, chop for cutting vegetables. As Lily seasons the dish, she asks confidently, "How much salt?" Mia claps, beaming. "You sound like a native already." Over dinner, the mood shifts. Lily's voice softens as she opens up. "At school, some kids said my accent's weird. I'm scared I'll never fit in." Mia sets down her spoon, her gaze steady and warm. "Your accent carries the story of where you're from," she says. Mom always told me, differences are your strength. You're bringing Vietnam to this table. Lily. Lily's eyes shimmer with emotion, a smile breaking through. The words sink deep, rekindling her sense of pride in who she is. Inspired, Lily decides to take a bold step. Alone in her room, she pulls out her phone and records herself saying an English sentence. Her voice still hesitant. She plays it back, bracing for embarrassment. But instead, a grin spreads across her face. My voice. It's kind of cool, she whispers. The recording isn't perfect, but it's hers, a piece of her journey, her courage, her roots. For the first time, she sees her accent not as a flaw, but as a unique thread in the tapestry of her new life. In this cozy kitchen, surrounded by the comforting sense of home, Lily finds more than English words. She rediscovers her confidence, anchored by Mia's wisdom and her own growing self-acceptance. The sting of schoolyard taunts begins to fade, replaced by a quiet determination to embrace her voice. As she drifts to sleep that night, Lily dreams of new conversations, each word a step toward belonging, not by changing who she is, but by celebrating it. The classroom bathes in golden light, desks gleaming under the morning sun. A month has passed since Lily's first shaky steps in English, and today feels different. Ms. Carter, her voice warm and inviting, asks, "Who wants to share a place they love?" Lily's hand shoots up her first time volunteering. The room hushes as she stands, heart racing but steady. "I like the market," she says clearly. "People buy food, clothes, and share stories." Her word, woven with quiet confidence, hang in the air. The class erupts in applause, a wave of support that lifts her spirit. The boy who once mocked her accent leans over, whispering, "She's actually pretty good." Emma, grinning from her desk, winks. "Told you. Lily, you're a star." Lily's growth doesn't stop there. In the school library, she finds herself sitting with Anna, a new student from Mexico, whose nervous glances mirror Lily's own a month ago. Lily smiles, remembering Emma's kindness, and offers to help Anna with English. They pore over a book, stumbling through words together, their laughter echoing softly among the shelves. Anna's eyes light up when Lily explains friend means amiga. In that moment, Lily realizes English is more than a language. It's a way to touch hearts, to build bridges between worlds. She's no longer just learning. She's passing on the courage she's gained. Each clap from her classmates, each giggle with Anna, marks a milestone. Lily's voice, once a source of shame, now carries her story with pride. The market she described isn't just a place, it's a symbol of her journey, where every word spoken, every connection made, has shaped her. The boy's change of heart, Emma's unwavering belief, and Anna's grateful smile show Lily she's not just fitting in, she's making a difference. English, once a towering barrier, has become a tool to share who she is, a girl from Vietnam, bold and resilient, with a voice that matters. As Lily walks out of the library, the weight of doubt is gone. She's not fluent yet, but she's shining, her confidence a beacon for others. The classroom applause still rings in her ears, a reminder that courage grows from small, brave steps. Lily knows her journey continues, but now she walks it with purpose, ready to help others find their voice, just as she's found hers. Lily holds her phone, beaming as she records, "Hello, I'm Lily, and I'm learning English." Her journey proves it, you can do it too. Join the Russian Speak English Challenge. Film yourself saying one English sentence and post it on YouTube or TikTok with the hashtag Embrace Your Voice. No matter how it sounds, it's uniquely you. Picture a montage of people worldwide sharing their videos, from shy stumbles to bold confidence. Subscribe now and let's make English your superpower together, one fearless word at a time.